not doing it.
What is it? God made the earth. What is this? It's not on anyway. Just do it. Just practice. How is it? Yeah.
God made the sun. God made the sea. God made the fish. And God made me. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the sea. Thank you for the fish. And thank you, God, for me.
Oh. What was that? Because that's how it goes. Okay, can we do it now for real? Why?
I don't want to.
I can't tape it for you? I can't?
I don't want to.
Oh, alright.